The Avalanche HD does about 75 shirts an hour. It's allowed us to take a lot more same-day orders, which end up being higher profit items for us. Even good size prints are under $1 with Kornit and their ink system they have now. Jobs that are under 300 pieces would go to the Kornit, and jobs over 300 pieces would be a digital squeegee job. You see a lot more complex art today than you did 10, 20 years ago. You have a screen printer that could do sim process or 8 to 12 colors. They're a really skilled person, and they're becoming harder and harder to get, where it's a lot easier to bring somebody up and teach them how to use a DTG press and get them up running on that than to get somebody up and running on how to do a sim process and what to do to color correct and correct the screens and correct the art and that and so forth.